Hi guys, welcome back to A-Level PE in lesson 3. Today we're going to go through the glycolytic system. And whenever you see lytic or lysis at the end of a word, that means the breakdown of. So that part means breakdown. And then the glyco part is referring to glycogen. So that word literally means the breakdown of glycogen. And that's what's happening here. So this is the anaerobic breakdown of glycogen. So glycogen, which is just loads of glucose stuck together, is firstly broken down into a singular glucose molecule. And then that glucose molecule is broken down even further into something called pyruvate, technically 2-pyruvate, because pyruvate is half of a glucose molecule. So that glucose molecule is basically snapped in half, but you would say broken down into pyruvate, and that releases enough energy to resynthesize 2 ATP. And then in the absence of oxygen, when you're working at a really high intensity, that pyruvate is converted into lactic acid. So don't say broken down there, just say converted. Um, and then the controlling enzymes here. So GPP is the enzyme that breaks down glycogen into glucose. PFK is the enzyme that breaks down glucose into pyruvate. And then LDH is the enzyme that breaks down pyruvate into lactic acid. And the starting letter of the enzyme is the starting letter of the product that it creates. And then just as an acronym to help you remember this, you could remember good guys play lacrosse. And all of this is happening in the sarcoplasm of a muscle cell. So let's say that's the nucleus, and then that's the mitochondria. All of this reaction is happening in the sarcoplasm, which is the cytoplasm of a muscle cell. I hope you found this run through useful, and I'll see you in the next one.